Okay, good morning everybody. How are you guys? I hope you are safe and your family and everybody you be in touch with. Just stay safe, stay home, follow the instructions. It's a awkward time, but it's open new opportunities for everybody. Just a quick about myself. My name is ElHaga. I'm a math teacher at Alice S. Paul Learning Center in Casa Grande, Arizona. Our district is Pictic School in Tucson, and I'm a math teacher. A little bit on myself. Also, I'm a graduate student at the U of A for Master of Education, Mathematics Endorsement, and I should graduate May 2020. So this is a good news and bad news. The good news, I'm graduating. The bad news, there is no ceremony, so it sucks, but it's something, it's something new. We figure it out. Today we're gonna talk a little bit about math, but algebra, not just any math. So when we talk about math, everybody, I don't get it. Math is hard. I don't understand math. No, math, it's something you do every day. It's something you live with. Just think about everything around you, how you think about math, just like when you go to the grocery, when you're walking, when you're sleeping, everything is numbers. Hours, weight, distance, time, weight, everything is connected to math. Think about it this way, it's construction, agriculture, whatever job you do, it's all about math. So, we will dig a little bit deeper in some called linear equations. So, linear equation. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. So here, linear equation. The linear equation has a standard form. So standard form or formula, just like they are the same thing but just different vocabulary. So the linear equation, standard form is y equal ax plus b. So again, linear equation has a standard form. All equations has a standard forms. But the one we talk about today is the linear one. And represented by y equal ax plus b. So when I see in an equation on a form of y equal ax plus b, that will be represented in linear equation. We will give an example later on to see how it looks like really. But right now, we stick with this form for the linear equation, y equal ax plus b. We will define each single thing in this equation. To know what this means, when I see it, I know, oh, this means something. It's not just there for the sake of nothing. It has a meaning. If we start with y, the first one here, we notice what? Y here is positive. How I know it's positive? Because there is no signal in front of it. There is no negative in front of it. So y here, positive by itself. Nothing with it, nothing added, subtracted, multiplied, or divided by. So y doesn't like partners, doesn't like neighbors, it just like to be by itself. Then we have equal, because we work with an equation. So when you see the equal here, that means you work with an equation. Why? Because we have variables on both sides. So we walk in. So after that we have ax plus b. Ax, the other variable, that could be positive, could be negative. Then after that plus b, and this should be a constant, which is a number by itself. And I will explain now what each thing in this equation means. We start with the y. So y called the output or dependent. So y is the output or dependent. Why? Because this came in the end as a result. This came in the end as a result. After I solve this equation, we come with this guy here in the end as a result. That's why it's output or dependent. Okay, then after that, on the other side, what we have here a, and a called slope. So the number attached to x called the slope. And this slope could be represented by a, by h, by m, by k, whatever letter it is. But the fact I know that there will be number next to x, and this number will be called the slope. Then after that, we move on. What is x? This Mr. X, the mysterious or mysterious letter. So x is the input. Is what? The input. So I have x here is what? The input. I have y with the output. Here, x is input. Or the independent, Mr. Independent. So again, y, output, or dependent, a, the slope. So the number with x could be represented in other equation or formula with m or any other letter, but I know the number attached to x called the slope, then x, the input or the independent. Then the last one here, the b, is called the y-interception. Y-intercept. And the y-intercept, it's come from its definition. It's mean when I draw my line, when I graph my equation, it will cut the y-axis at a point. So the y-interception or the y-intercept, when I graph or when I draw my line for the linear equation, it will cut the y-axis, this vertical line here, the y-axis will be cut or intercepted at a point. This is a point. So when I see an equation, number by itself, at this standard form, that's mean this is where the line will cut the y-axis.